But if you do have OCD, please look away now. Look.
So sticky.
I've been putting it on my bum. Right, okay, so what is happening today? I've literally just adjusted the E30. I didn't film it because it was only like a 20mm adjust. Just to dial in that air ride to make it fucking mint. Right, so it's all jacked up. It's all high now at the minute. Right, we're gonna move the cars. Oh, it's so bright out there, but the S14 is going on top of the drive. E30 is going outside, and we got some flooring. So the garage, look at the state of this floor right now, right? This is what I've been working with, is this stuff. But that is so gritty and it hurts your skin so much. So I've acquired something. This is the flooring that I'm going to be putting on. So hopefully it's decent stuff and I can get it in and the garage will be nice. So let's move the cars. Bumper's still. Oh, there's a bit more clearance than last time. So I can actually get off the garage now then. Nice. Sorted. It's time to get this floor done. Damn, it's a good driveway though. Stop, I was getting too happy. I'm hoping all of this in here is enough. Or all grey in the middle, black. Because we've got loads here, I'm guessing that is definitely enough. And then black and grey around the whole thing.
Yeah.
That's definitely enough, isn't it? It's got to be.
Yeah.
Right, so that's what we're going to do. Get all this flooring on this crap floor. Yeah, grey on the outside, black on the inside. Let's
How
get.
are you going to cut?
I've got angle grinder. I'll just cut it with that. Down there.
Okay.
Yeah, let's get cracking. Let's get cracking. There you go. We've got a Mat H. You so supposed to kill it. Okay, so. How does this freaking work? Let's have a look.
Right, you want a flat edge.
That will go on top of that.
Yeah.
And then hammer. Yeah, you put that. You hammer it with the hammer.
How do you do that?
Just tap it. There you go. Oh, grafter. Grafter. And then this one.
So sticky.
I've been putting it on my bum.
Rank.
Well, that's what we've got to do in the garage sometimes. If it don't work, put up your bum.
That's suspiciously gay.
Shut up. Okay, next. So this is going to go on for some time, so skip to me when the board is done.
Oh no, you got.
Okay, so we have finished the flooring. We didn't film a lot because it was kind of annoying. It was the worst thing ever.
A little bit stressful.
A little bit stressful. But if you do have OCD, please look away now, because this is going to be your worst nightmare if you have OCD. So, what's the saying? Viewers' discretion advised to look away now. Is that the what we're saying?
I think so.
Okay, so I'm kind of embarrassed to show you guys.
No, it's just annoying because you just.
So basically, we didn't have enough black, so we had too much grey.
We just had to make do.
Yeah. Look.
It
Looks worse on.
looks like the car needs to be to the side.
So there's two squares, black, one square. So I'm gonna have to park the car this side because if you can, oh, it looks so bad on this. It looks so bad on this. But when you're in person, it doesn't look bad from here. On camera, it looks absolutely awful. So if you have OCD, I'm really sorry. This video is horrific. Like, I was going to take some black from the back of here and just make another strip, but it still look weird, wouldn't it?
You're not. No, you'll be left.
Oh, when I'm walking through here, it looks disgusting. Look. Oh my days. Just look through that a minute. So I'm going to park the car this side and have a little path here.
Yeah.
That's what I was planning to do.
No.
The whole entire time. So yeah, I haven't had enough black squares. So this is the yeah.
Until we get black squares.
Until we get black squares, this is going to be there.
The part.
But I'm not going to zoom in on the edge cutting because
They don't need to see this.
you don't need to see the edges or the corners or anything
we're
like
not
that.
Professional garage.
Yeah, we're not professional floor fitters, alright? We done this just getting frustrated, getting hot plastic all over my skin, cutting them. So, yeah, you're gonna have to bear with the OCD. All the videos you're gonna be looking at my flooring and thinking, why has he got half of fucking black? I like it though. I like it because I like the flooring, but it's just.
I like that it's better flooring now.
It's gonna annoy some people. I know that for a fact. And I'm trying to look at it thinking, I'm not gonna let it annoy me because my car's gonna go on there. I'm gonna think of it as a pathway. I've made an extra grey for a path to walk down so my car can go on one side, car this side, walk in that side.
Yeah.
Because I've got to open the driver's door that side.
Very true.
I'll think about that. So next thing is getting all this in, really, back in and having a look and seeing.
Get the car in.
Get the car. Yeah, I'll get the car in and see how it looks. That's the plan. I'm trying to go in there. Okay. This is perfect. The way I've done this to get out of the car with the path here, it's better with the black, you know, with the grey.
Yeah.
I think I have done that on purpose. I promise. Come in.
It's okay.
Oh, if I could get that bang on in the back wheel in the square.
Yeah.
Oof. She looks pretty damn
It
sexy.
looks better now that it's on
Now the car is in there, it's not too bad.
It doesn't hurt your eyes.
But I'm not going to show anyone on YouTube when the car's out in the garage anymore because it looks weird. So that's on there. I need to get this back wheel. Get this back wheel in the black just to make it fucking looking aesthetically pleasing. Oh, I've got some of them back here. Do you reckon I should get it in there for the photos? I'm getting it in. I'm getting it in. Now that is perfect. Now it doesn't look so bad. Now look, back's in. Oh, she's sexy in here now. I can't see you, it's so bright out there. There we go. Perfecto. Okay guys, so the weather has decided to turn. All the cars back in. S14 is back under the cover and the X6 is back on the drive. So everything is back in place. But I just want to say that this flooring has made a absolute... Oh Christ, I best move that to be fair. I keep headbutting this. Let me put that up there. But I just want to say that this flooring has made an absolute huge difference to the garage. Just look how tidy and neat this is. Obviously the flooring had to finish there because we just didn't have enough space. Didn't have enough tiles, that's what it was. But it's come out quite well, to be fair. So I can work on my car on a nice floor, not getting all gritty and cutting myself on the stones. But I hope you've enjoyed this video. It's a bit of a random one. I know it's only garage flooring, but it does make a huge difference to me. Make sure you like, subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.